Okay guys, so we start project Harley. Maybe project is too much, but restoration, back to life. So unchanged mine on the night. We don't take wheels off, so I'm think it's maybe first a heavy job. So maybe I'm show you what we do today and what I plan for next weekend. So today we take off the mudguard side as well. You see guys, it's quite rusty. So I forget to tell you, we have a special paint. So somebody mixed for us exactly the same color for coat and everything. So probably anyway after paint it's tank, and that one may be slightly different, but that no big problem. We take off seat, tank, we take off the mudguard back one, and like you see we need paint because everything rust. That's why I'm small thing by everywhere where is rust we need cut, clean to metal and use that chemical. So we start. Probably I'll take first front one off because that's so easy just to. Let's start. So one, go to shed. So it's my secret for don't lose the screw bolt and make sure it's go the same place. So I'm put back on this same place. When mudguard back, then we clean and put some grease. So this is what I do. Now we take seat off. Interesting, Allen 4, it's too small, like you see 4. Another it's 5, so we take 5. And oops, 5. It is almost, but look like too big. That's interesting. So probably I am take 5. Take hammer and gently pop, hopefully come in. Right, that guys don't want cooperation. I don't know what. At this moment I take tank off. That one I am left for dinner. So to take the fuel line, you need pop up and pull. Fuel no leak, so it's no too bad. Like you see, cable go through over there, so we need to find where. This guy and this guy, and should be free. This cover for dress. Nice, copper grease, bardzo ładnie. Quite rusty, so we clean and paint. I think it's water in, so we need clean, and we use a special chemical to electric better connection. So tank off. quite a lot of fuel. Oil very full, too much full. Should be probably here. Focus. Should be here. This guy. And you see that clips, so we need first clip off. So that it's quite rust as well. Not that bad, probably because oil. Like you see, it's here. You need to pull that one and down. No push. That part's pull and push down and pull. So it's quite windy and cloudy, but we work before if start rain we stop, so shed it's too small for that job, and we take off indicator now. We try take mudguard back, but quite challenge, no easy, but life is no easy. right step by step, and indicator. My plan is find the wires behind this connection, pull out, and we see what this guy is, because don't want come out. And I think it's loose, but no really. Probably this guy still keep, maybe it's another ball, it's here, but we see. So okay, look, that it's rear light, so I guess it's that it's the same. This mean indicator, and that it's stop the registration light. But I don't think it's this connection come from this hole. So what I'm loose, put in the hole, and we see where we are, what step should be next. Water and rust connection. So I think it's good time we look here, because like one, it's wet, very wet. I don't know, this is oil, water, but this one, like you see, it's already rusty, so probably soon it's no connection and indicator stop work. So when we put parts back, we put everything and clean. We use the connection cleaner, electric connection cleaner. This is the plan. Okay, we need to catch that ball and then undo and screw off the pen. Should be indicator, then come off. So I connection everything together. It's nothing gone. That it's interesting. That small hole, but connection is bigger. But we need to paint this one because it looks very bad. So alright, almost home. I make loose here, so I'm cut here and there, then indicator go out. It's quite challenge because socket very big, but hole it's too small, so many mud, so we clean everything. So when we take this parts off and and we start probably clean the rust and try make parts to paint. Start slightly rain, but still alright. I don't know how cover the airbox cover still looks very good. We have just to spray to black spray matte, diamond matte, and to clear coat for paint. So this is what we do. So last this one, wipe the bike and probably start slow, clean the mudguard, and we see. Alright, so keep going. I'm take off the mudguard, if I'm good remember that this name, a tank cover, and this guy was a challenge, but it's off. So probably first I'm paint the parts. I need go to my friend take a motorbike cover, because my shed is quite small and I'm plan paint in the shed. So and paint first this, and we start later another one, and step by step we do process. No make sense make everything off, parts everywhere. I think it's we do step by step. When one we done, then we do another job, make sure we don't forget everything. Okay, we check now it's any leak oil, because from tank should be leaking, but I think it's owner last time done it, put too much oil, that's why oil go out, because I don't see nothing. Anyway, I'm show you, probably that's why it's plenty oil there. So when we change, we make sure it's level exactly that how much should be. So come we look. So okay, so I'm check the leaking. It should be alright, everything. It is pipe here, I don't see any leak. So we have the loose connection, but that's no my loose. What it's interesting, it's that one. So what we have here, it is made in China, Delphi. Maybe this is part of the alarm, so I don't put bad, because this is danger. Then I probably take to home, because I think it's this is alarm, because alarm disconnection in this bike, because make a problem, bike don't want start. So now I'm clean here. How much I'm clean, because like I'm saying, it's we don't make a 1,000 parts and full restoration. We just do a bike looks better and protect the rust. start rain. We see how we start work and clean every part from rust. We take every bubbles paint off. I have good idea about here, but Danny must say yes. This is maybe paint use stuff what we use under the car. Last time Range Rover I'm do. Okay, it's start rain and I don't have cover for the bike, so I need phone to Danny. Next week we start clean the parts what we take off today and start paint and step by step. So bike back to shed, and next week if rain we work in the shed, we take bike out and put the cover on the bike. This is the plan what I have for next week. Yes, that plan for next week. Like you see, it's rain, wet, so next week we have fun. So see you later, guys. See you next time.